Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start with essentials. Make sure your Vivo Y28 is charged above 20% and running the latest system update because stability matters. Open the first app you plan to use in split screen and pause. This anchors the top pane. Once done, tap Recent Apps or swipe up and hold if you use gestures to reveal active tasks. Look for the split screen icon next to the app card. Long pressing the app icon also shows the option. Now activate split screen to lock that app into the first slot. With the first app locked in place, you now pick the second app. Either choose it from recent apps or open it from the app drawer. Tap the app to snap it into the remaining pane or drag its icon into the split area if the interface supports dragging. Once both apps show, adjust the dividing bar to prioritize one app, drag toward the edge for a larger pane, or double-tap the handle to toggle preset ratios. Make sure multi-window permissions are allowed for apps that need special access. To finish, interact normally. Use both apps, drag content between them if supported, and rotate the phone for a landscape split when needed. When done, close split screen by dragging the divider fully to one edge or tapping home to keep both apps running in background. If the feature won't activate, restart the device first. If that fails, clear recent apps and check app permissions or power-saving settings that restrict background behavior. These steps resolve most split-screen hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.